Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Microsoft Teams and signing in with your work or school account. Do this now so you can join calls. Once installed, grant microphone and camera permissions and enable notifications to stay alerted. Make sure to verify your profile picture and status. This helps colleagues recognize you quickly. If you have multi-factor authentication, complete that step. It secures access and prevents login errors later on. Now, once done with sign-in, join a meeting from Calendar or accept a call and calls. Tap Join to enter. During the meeting, use mute to cut background noise, toggle camera for privacy, and apply background blur or an image for focus. Make sure to switch audio to speaker or a paired Bluetooth headset when needed, and use the chat to share files or links without interrupting the speaker. If you need to share your screen, pick Share and select the app or screen to present. To finish, end the call and review meeting chat for files or notes, then save important items to OneDrive for later. If something goes wrong, update the Teams app first. Updates fix many bugs. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh your session, and then restart your phone. A key troubleshooting step. Go to Settings, run the device microphone and camera tests, and check network speed. Poor Wi-Fi often causes call issues, so switch to mobile data if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.